Often people tell me that they cannot cut square no matter how hard they try. Let me show you what I would do if I was starting to get that muscle memory going. I would put 2 square lines onto the piece of wood. I've just got a piece of 2x here. If you've got a vise, put it in the vise. It doesn't have to be level, it doesn't have to be anything. Put your thumb on the back edge, rub the saw up against your thumb, like that. Get the saw started and drop your hand. Drop, drop, drop till you're square across. Now I don't have to worry about the saw straying in that position. Now I drop my hand, and I follow the line on this face, and I keep it going, keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. Okay, now I don't have to worry about the saw in any direction, because what I'm going to do now, I'm going to let the saw float in that groove that I've just created. Like that, and it's perfectly square. If I take my square to it in either direction, I'm dead square across. Very simple. Best way to do it.